Sudhakar, please unmute yourself.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Sir, I have to check my own horoscope, sir, regarding
sir.
health.
Oh, what happened to your health?
2 stents has been installed.
Oh, you have become a stunt master.
Right, sir.
Sir, I am also a stunt master, sir.
Okay. But I am healthy, physically and mentally healthy, but all these medicines and doctor provocation will always lead to negative things.
Sir, what's your name, sir?
Sudhakar J.
Dr. J.
Yes,
Health,
sir. Health, sir.
Give me a horary number, sir. Random number between 1 and 249. Not your favorite number, but a random number.
Okay, 135, sir.
135. All right. Where's your Lagna? Lagna is in Libra, 1513. Sublord is Venus. Venus is in the star of Mercury, Ashlesha Nakshatra. Mercury itself is deposited in the 8th house, owned in the 9th house, owned in the 12th house. That's what Lagna, no? All right, fear will be natural. Fair enough. 6th house starts in Pisces, 1629. Lord is Jupiter. Jupiter is in the star of Ketu in the 12th house. Continuous doctor treatment will be there, sir. There is 100% cure is not there for this. You will have to prolong your treatment for the entire life. That's what my doctor also told me. Don't stop medicine. Keep eating medicine. Once in 3 months, come and meet me. So good income for my cardiologist also. Likewise, you also have to keep donating money to your cardiologist, I think. Dr. G, are you there?
Yes. Yeah, I'm there, sir.
But it's okay, sir. Don't have to worry about it.
So nothing to worry, sir.
Yeah. Medicine you have to eat. That's all for the rest of your life. You have to eat medicine. So what, sir? Morning breakfast 2 medicine, lunch 2 medicine, dinner 2 medicine, like that. You keep drinking whatever he tells you to eat.
Yeah, I'm fed up. I am fed up with medicine, sir. That's why
I know. Me too, sir. If you need somebody some shoulder to cry, call me, sir. I'll give you my shoulder. If I feel like crying, I'll call you. You will cry on. I'll cry on your shoulder, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. No life-threatening problem for you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All the very best. Good luck.